In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get help with Squarespace. To begin, go to the Squarespace Help Center. This is the main support area where Squarespace keeps its guides, troubleshooting articles, and contact options. If you are having an issue with your website, billing, domains, templates, design tools, or anything else related to your Squarespace account, the Help Center is the best place to start. It is designed to help you find answers quickly, and it also gives you a path to contact support when you need more direct help. Once you are on the Squarespace Help Center page, look for the Contact Us option. This is usually the main way to begin a support request. Depending on the page layout you see, you may also be able to scroll toward the bottom right corner of the screen and click the chat icon instead. Both options are meant to guide you toward getting support, so use whichever one is visible and easiest to access on your screen. After you open the Contact or Chat option, Squarespace will ask you to choose a topic. This helps narrow down the reason you need assistance. Take a moment to select the topic that best matches your issue. For example, your issue might be related to your site, your domain, billing, account access, or another area of Squarespace. After choosing the main topic, you will usually be asked to select a subtopic as well. Choose the option that most closely describes what you need help with. This step is important because it helps Squarespace direct your request to the right type of support. Once you have selected your topic and subtopic, an automated assistant may appear. This assistant is designed to suggest help articles and common solutions based on the information you selected. In some cases, those suggestions may solve the problem right away. However, if your goal is to reach a human support agent, you can move past the automated assistant by typing, "Talk to a person," enter that phrase into the chat box, and send it. After you type "talk to a person," the system should recognize that you want help from a human agent instead of continuing with automated suggestions. This is useful when your issue is specific, complex, or not fully answered by the help articles. Be patient for a moment while the system checks the available support options for your situation. If live chat is available at that time, you will see an option to start a live chat. Select Start Live Chat to connect with a support representative. Once the chat begins, explain your issue clearly and include only the details needed to describe the problem. This will help the support agent understand what is happening and respond more efficiently. If live chat is not available, it may be outside of business hours. In that case, Squarespace will show an option to send an email instead. Choose the email option if that is what appears. You can then describe your issue and submit your request for a response from the support team. And that is all there is to it. You now know how to use the Squarespace Help Center, choose the right support topic, bypass the automated assistant when needed, and contact Squarespace through live chat or email.